All right, Dr. Chris here at the Nerve Health Institute. This is another one of our amazing technologies. It's called Curatron. And so Curatron, in my opinion, is one of the best devices on the market for grounding. And there's so many PEMF devices, that's pulsed electromagnetic frequency, PEMF devices. So just to give you kind of a brief summary on what PEMF does, we should be touching planet Earth with our feet. There's a magnetic charge coming off of planet Earth, a small magnetic charge. You can say it averages about 3 to 5 Gauss in the actual measurement coming off of planet Earth in terms of the magnetic charge. So you can imagine we don't get that charge pretty much our entire life with our shoes and concrete and always being indoors. So we don't get that charge. And so if I just told our patients to go outside and stand or lay on planet Earth for the rest of their life, they still couldn't replenish all the charge that they lost throughout the course of their lives. So this is a buddy of mine. He's an amazing internal medicine doctor in Maryland. His name's Dr. Pollock, and he invented these devices. This device in particular goes up to 10,000 Gauss. So it charges and it gets the actual grounding back to your body much quicker. And so this device is one of his, is a stronger one of his devices. And we use this thing called a sandwich. This is one of the things he calls. And basically this device, the entire time, if we set Cameron up here, we can set intensities of it. It's very comfortable, and it lasts, just one treatment will last 30 minutes. And right now, when she's on this device, the first time we start very low intensity, so you don't really feel very much here. But then as we increase the intensity, as we go further into your treatments, you can start to get to where you can feel a little wave kind of go through your entire body. It's truly amazing when you restore magnetism to your cells, and you just do it using these devices instead of just telling you to go stand on planet Earth for the rest of your life or lay down. This takes this technology from planet Earth, puts it into a device, and allows those cells to regain that grounding that they should have been having their entire life. So this is called Curatron, and it's our PEMF devices that we use here at our office at the Nerve Health Institute.